How to maintain the balance and harmony within the body. To restore balance and harmony within the body, there are different approaches. The goal is to identify the root causes of imbalance and address them through various therapeutic methods, including acupuncture, herbal medicine, dietary adjustments, exercise, and lifestyle modifications. These modalities aim to support the body's innate healing mechanisms and facilitate the restoration of balance. In terms of natural treatment, herbal tea is one of the traditional supplements to support the balance of yin and yang energies within the body. Different herbs possess specific properties that can help regulate and harmonize yin and yang. Let me, Master Law, explain to you of how herbal tea can aid in balancing yin and yang, along with examples of herbs commonly used for this purpose. 1. Cooling and nourishing yin. Some herbs have cooling properties that can help nourish yin energy, which is associated with coolness and moisture. These herbs can be beneficial for individuals with excess heat or deficient yin. Examples include chrysanthemum. Known for its cooling properties, chrysanthemum tea can help clear heat, calm the mind, and support yin energy. Lily bulb. Lily bulb tea can nourish yin and moisten the lungs, helping to relieve dryness and promote a sense of calmness. 2. Warming and invigorating yang. Other herbs possess warming properties that can invigorate yang energy, associated with warmth and activity. These herbs are useful for individuals with coldness or deficient yang. Examples include ginger. Ginger tea has warming properties that can help improve circulation, stimulate digestion, and invigorate the yang energy in the body. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can warm the body and strengthen yang energy. It can be used to alleviate cold symptoms, improve vitality, and support digestion. 3. Harmonizing yin and yang. Some herbal teas are formulated to balance and harmonize both yin and yang energies in the body. These blends often combine herbs with complementary properties to restore equilibrium. Examples include 4-substance tea. This traditional herbal blend contains herbs such as dong quai, white peony root, rehmannia, and ligusticum. It is commonly used to nourish blood, regulate menstrual cycles, and harmonize yin and yang energies. 8-substance tea. This herbal blend combines herbs like ginseng, astragalus, and angelica to tonify energy, nourish blood, and balance yin and yang. It is often used to improve energy levels, support the immune system, and restore overall vitality. In terms of physical exercises, both Tai Chi and yoga are practices that can help balance yin and yang energies within the body. While originating from different traditions, Tai Chi from Chinese martial arts and yoga from ancient Indian philosophy, both practices emphasize the harmonization of opposing forces and the cultivation of balance. Here is an explanation of how Tai Chi and yoga can aid in balancing yin and yang, along with examples of their benefits. 1. Tai Chi. Tai Chi movements are slow, fluid, and focused, emphasizing relaxation, mindfulness, and body alignment. By practicing Tai Chi, individuals can achieve a harmonious integration of yin and yang energies. Tai Chi incorporates both gentle, flowing movements, yin, and controlled, intentional actions, yang. This combination helps harmonize the opposing energies and create a state of balance. Tai Chi promotes the circulation of qi, the vital energy in the body. Through slow and controlled movements, practitioners can enhance the flow of qi, balancing its yin and yang aspects and supporting overall vitality. Tai Chi exercises also involve gentle stretching and weight shifting, which help improve flexibility and strength. This balance between yin, gentle stretching, and yang, weight shifting, contributes to a harmonious relationship between flexibility and stability. When practicing Tai Chi, the practitioner should cultivate a specific mind state and can experience various benefits. Tai Chi emphasizes a relaxed and calm state of mind. It is important to release tension and let go of mental and physical stress. Practitioners should maintain present moment awareness, focus on the movements, sensations, and breath during the practice, and pay attention to perform the flowing movements with precision and awareness. Its ultimate purpose is to cultivate a sense of inner stillness and tranquility, which helps practitioners connect with their body, breath, and energy. Tai Chi movements stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in immune function. Improved lymphatic flow aids in the removal of toxins and waste products, supporting immune system health. The slow and flowing movements in Tai Chi promote circulation and oxygenation throughout the body. Enhanced blood flow helps in the transportation of immune cells, nutrients, and oxygen to different tissues, strengthening the immune response. Tai Chi induces the relaxation response in the body, which reduces inflammation and supports immune system function. Chronic inflammation can impair immune system functioning, and by reducing inflammation, Tai Chi enhances the body's immune defenses. 2. Yoga. Yoga encompasses physical postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, and meditation practices. It aims to balance and unify mind, body, and spirit, promoting a state of harmony between yin and yang. Yoga encourages practitioners to find the balance between effort and ease in each pose. It combines dynamic movements, yang, with holding poses and surrendering to the present moment, yin, fostering a sense of equilibrium. Through various yoga poses and breathing techniques, energy flow, prana, is enhanced, nourishing the body and harmonizing its energetic aspects. This flow helps balance yin and yang energies and promotes overall well-being. Yoga postures also work on developing both flexibility, yin, and strength, yang. The practice focuses on creating a balance between these two qualities, fostering physical and energetic equilibrium. Yoga emphasizes mindfulness and self-awareness, encouraging individuals to cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance. This practice helps integrate the mind-body connection and supports the harmonization of yin and yang energies. Yoga helps to reduce stress levels and activate the body's relaxation response. By reducing stress hormones and promoting relaxation, yoga supports a healthier immune system. Pranayama, or yogic breathing techniques, are an integral part of yoga practice, which can improve oxygenation, stimulates the lymphatic system, and supports a healthy immune response. Besides, the mindfulness and meditation practices of yoga can help reducing psychological stress, enhancing mental well-being, and positively influencing our immune function. Both Tai Chi and yoga provide holistic practices that can promote the balance of yin and yang energies within the body and contribute to overall well-being. Engaging in these practices regularly not only can help individuals cultivate a sense of harmony, flexibility, strength, and inner peace, but also can stimulate and improve our immune system. In the pursuit of health, prevention is highly valued in natural treatment. The emphasis is on maintaining balance and cultivating a strong foundation of well-being to ward off potential imbalances and diseases. By nurturing the body, mind, and spirit, and adopting a balanced lifestyle, individuals can proactively support their health and prevent the onset of illness. Restoring and balancing yin and yang energies is a holistic process that encompasses physical, dietary, and mental aspects of well-being. By embracing these practices, individuals can experience enhanced vitality, improved mental clarity, and a sense of overall equilibrium. Remember, achieving and maintaining yin-yang balance is an ongoing journey that requires self-awareness, patience, and a commitment to living in harmony with the natural rhythms of life.